How to do shoulder tap push-ups. Shoulder tap push-ups are a challenging variation of the traditional push-up that can help build strength and stability in your upper body, particularly your shoulders and core. Here's how to do shoulder tap push-ups. Begin in a high plank position with your hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart, fingers spread out, and your body in a straight line from your head to your heels. Lower your body down towards the floor by bending your elbows, keeping your elbows close to your sides. As you push back up, lift one hand off the ground and tap the opposite shoulder with it, keeping your hips as stable as possible. Lower yourself back down to the ground, and as you push back up, tap your other shoulder with your opposite hand. Continue alternating shoulder taps with each push-up for your desired number of reps. Here are some tips to keep in mind. Keep your core engaged throughout the movement to help stabilize your body. Keep your hips as still as possible to avoid excessive twisting or shifting. Focus on maintaining good form, even if it means doing fewer reps or taking breaks. Start with a modified version of the exercise, such as doing shoulder taps from a kneeling push-up position, and gradually work your way up to full push-ups. Shoulder tap push-ups offer a variety of benefits for your body, including builds upper body strength. Shoulder tap push-ups work the same muscle groups as traditional push-ups, including the chest, shoulders, triceps, and core. Adding the shoulder tap element adds an extra challenge, making your upper body work harder to stabilize your body while performing the movement. Increases core stability. By lifting one hand off the ground and tapping your opposite shoulder, you challenge your core muscles to maintain stability and prevent your hips from rotating. This helps to strengthen your core muscles and improve your overall stability and balance. Enhances shoulder mobility and stability. The shoulder tap component of this exercise requires you to move your shoulder through a full range of motion while maintaining stability in the joint. This can help improve shoulder mobility and stability, which is important for everyday movements and athletic activities. Provides a cardiovascular challenge. Shoulder tap push-ups can be a challenging cardiovascular exercise, especially if you perform them quickly or with a high number of reps. This can help increase your heart rate and improve your overall fitness. Can be modified for different fitness levels. Shoulder tap push-ups can be modified to suit different fitness levels. For example, you can start with knee push-ups or perform the shoulder taps from a high plank position without doing full push-ups, and gradually work your way up to full shoulder tap push-ups. Overall, shoulder tap push-ups are a great exercise to add to your workout routine to improve upper body strength, core stability, and shoulder mobility, while also providing a cardiovascular challenge. The number of reps you should do for shoulder tap push-ups will depend on your fitness level and goals. As with any exercise, it's important to start with a manageable number of reps and gradually increase over time. If you're just starting out, you might want to aim for 2 to 3 sets of 5 to 10 reps, taking breaks as needed. As you get stronger and more comfortable with the movement, you can gradually increase the number of reps and sets. Some people may be able to do 15 to 20 reps per set, while others may struggle to do 5 to 10 reps. It's also important to focus on quality over quantity. Make sure you're maintaining good form throughout the exercise, keeping your body in a straight line from head to heels and avoiding excessive twisting or shifting. If you start to feel your form breaking down, it's better to take a break and rest than to keep pushing through and risking injury. Remember that everyone's body is different, so don't compare yourself to others or get discouraged if you can't do as many reps as someone else. Listen to your body, work at your own pace, and celebrate your progress along the way. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new tips. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below, and feel free to stay safe and enjoy. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.